Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing this unit from ULAHAIR. I am really excited to share this with you, so let's get into it. So this unit came in this sleek dust bag and it is their natural 3-in-1 half kinky curly wig. Guys, the texture of this hair is stunning. It is super soft, lightweight, and this is in 22 inches, so we are getting some really nice length. So the wig also comes with 3 attachment combs, one in the middle and 2 on the sides, along with an adjustable drawstring for a secured fit. They also included some instructions on how to install and care for the hair as well, plus some extra goodies, which is always a nice touch. I'm super excited to style this wig. I'll be walking you through the full installation process and showing you how to style this wig in multiple ways, so let's just get into it. So to start, I'm going to section off the front part of my hair. So this is the section we'll be working with. So once I've parted it, I went ahead to twist it up and just pin it out of the way. For the back section, I simply divided my hair into 2 and cornrowed it. But if you are not comfortable with cornrolling, you can also just put it in a low bun, whatever works for you. So I just went ahead to also secure that. Make sure you secure that out of the way. So now to the front part. So I went ahead to create a clean middle part. I went ahead to spritz some water on that section. Then I'm making use of this gel. I applied that to the front section, and after that, using a soft brush to slick back my hair. Next, it is time to install the wig. So I'm attaching it to the back section, making sure to slide the comb securely into my hair. Then I'll tighten the drawstring for extra hold. So now I'm just realizing that I should have done this before slicking back my hair, but it is fine. I'll just have to touch it up a bit. To seamlessly blend my natural hair with the wig, I'm taking a small section of the wig, combining it with my own hair. As you can see, just a small section. So I'm just going in to slick back that section again, make it neat and tidy, and then just make sure I combine the unit with my own hair like so. So you want to make sure everything is all nice and clean, and now you want to secure that with a band. So after securing, this is what we have. As you can see, some of my own hair is still sticking out. So now to hide any hair that might be sticking out, so I'm going to make use of a band to create a small knot and then just secure it like so. So you want to have something like this. So to complete the look, I'm adding a claw clip on top of that knot to hide it and also really elevate the style and give it a more polished finish. So I'm honestly so impressed with how good this looks already. So for the final touch, I'll be redefining the coils. So to do this, I'll be spritzing some water and applying some foam mousse. You can also make use of water and gel or water and your leave-in conditioner if you don't have any foam mousse, whichever one works. And if you want to create this hairstyle, make sure you first of all install the unit before slicking down your hair, so you won't have to go in again to slick down your hair. So the coils instantly bounce back. I'm absolutely in love with this half up half down style. The best part, you don't have to blend or braid or cornrow your hair, especially if you're not good at it. The color blends effortlessly with my natural hair, making it more super seamless and natural. You can barely tell where my hair ends and where the wig begins. I love how easy and flawless this style turned out. And another good thing is that even if you have short or long natural hair, you can easily achieve this hairstyle. For the next look, I went for something simple yet cute. So I just pulled all my hair back while keeping the middle part intact, then secured it in place. Next, I just went ahead to tidy up my edges, make sure everything is nice and neat. Then I attached the wig, bring it slightly forward for a more natural blend. I made sure to secure the combs into my own hair, then pulled out a few strands at the front for a soft, effortless touch. So to seamlessly hide the wig line, I added a headband which also elevates the look, and finally I tidy up everything. I also went in to, define the coils. So this look is perfect for busy days when you're in a hurry or don't want to spend too much time styling. It is a quick and effortless go-to look that you can achieve in just a few minutes while still looking put together. For the next look, I sectioned out a small amount of hair from the side, sprayed some water and applied gel using a brush to create a sleek side swoop like so. And then I just make sure it is smooth, and then secure the ends to the back with a bobby pin and also band for a seamless finish. Next, I attach the wig to the front. I make sure to secure the combs into my own hair, adjusted the straps. I also added a headband to cover the transition where my hair meets the wig. This look turned out so stunning, and honestly, I can't decide which one is my favorite. Which look is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. And for the last look, I kept it super simple by styling the half wig into a ponytail while maintaining the side swoop from the previous look. This gives such a chic and effortless vibe. So with this half wig from ULAHAIR, the styling possibilities are endless. I could easily create even more looks with this unit, making it super versatile. So even if you don't want to braid or cornrow your hair, if you don't want to blend your hair with the unit, you can still achieve flawless styles. I love that this half wig is full and still lightweight. The coils bounces back. All details about this kinky curly half wig from ULAHAIR will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out, and don't forget to use my code NAYA10 to get discount off your purchase. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.